welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another story. Today I'm going to be telling story using these puppets. I have made these puppets using papers. For the sun I've drawn a circle and spikes and I've cut it out. And for this man, actually this man should be wearing a coat and a hat and scarf, but I didn't draw that. But no problem. And this mostly looks like a fish, but it's wind. Okay, it's wind. I couldn't draw so properly, but yeah, this still does look like wind. So I've stick them to straws. Okay, so let's start our story. Our story name is The Sun and the Wind. So yeah. Once up in the sky were the sun and the wind. One day, the wind was saying that, "Hey sun, do you know that I'm more powerful than you?" The sun knew that the wind was wrong. The sun smiled and said that, "No, we are equally powerful. Don't be more confident about yourself, wind." No, you are totally wrong. I am much stronger than you," said the wind. The sun just stayed calm. The wind continued, "Sun, let's have a competition to find out who's stronger." The sun could just agree because he wanted to teach the wind a lesson. "Okay then, what is the competition?" I'll just hold it on my hand. "See this man walking down on the road?" "Yes, I do see him." "Who can take out his coat, his cap and his scarf is the winner." "Oh, is it? Okay then, you go first." So, the wind took a deep breath and blew at the man. But the man just holded his cap much tighter. The wind got angrier and took a very large breath. But the man just was holding his scarf, his coat and his cap much tighter. Now the wind was much angrier. It took a really large breath. It was so cold that the man could not bear it and sat down and holding his knees tight because his legs were shivering as it was too cold. The wind said, "Sun, it's your turn. I couldn't achieve it. I bet you too cannot." The sun smiled and said, "Yes, but let me warm the man up. He looks really cold." The sun smiled a little at the man, and the man got up and started walking again. The sun gave a little bigger smile. The man took off his cap. The wind was shocked by this act of the sun. The sun smiled a bit more, and the man took off his scarf. When the sun gave a bigger smile, the man took off his coat and started feeling really hot and sat under a tree. "How can you do this? What I cannot achieve, how did you?" The sun said, "Yes, I did say that we are equally powerful." "Yes, you were right, my friend. I shouldn't be so confident about myself. Yes, but now the man feels really hot. Just blow a bit air on him so that he starts feeling much better. The wind blew a little bit on the man. The man started feeling better and continued his journey. So this was the story of the sun and the wind. Okay, let me just hold the characters. Oh, yes. Yes, okay, good. So these three were the characters: the sun, the wind, and the man. So as the wind learned the lesson that you shouldn't be overconfident about yourself. It's good to be confident, but you should not be so confident like the wind did. But it just made how hard the wind blew at the man. It just made the man feel much cold and hold his scarf, coat, and cap really tight. But the gentle sun won the competition just with a smile. So this is the story of the wind and the sun. You can also make puppets like these. They are very easy to make. You just need to take a piece of paper and draw whatever shape you want and color it in and just cut it and stick it to any, you can take a strip of cardboard or any toothpick, or how I used straws. You can also use straw. I use straw because they are much longer and easy to hold. You can use whatever you want. So this is the story, and if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Next time I'll come back with a much more interesting story.